Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatible parts. A Kai transmitter board rated for 5V, a USB power source, and a Schottky diode for protection. Next, wind the transmitter coil with 2226 AWG wire, aiming for 20 to 30 turns and a 30 to 50 mm diameter so alignment with the iPhone's receiver works. Once done, secure the coil to a thin, non-conductive substrate, add insulation layers, and solder the coil to the transmitter pads. Make sure connections are clean and solid. Now you solder the coil leads to the transmitter module, matching the pad labels and trimming excess wire. A bad solder joint kills efficiency. Then attach the Schottky diode on the power rail and optionally a small resistor or trimmer capacitor to tune the resonance for best power transfer. Place a ferrite sheet beneath the coil to focus the field and reduce heating in nearby metal. Check for short circuits, then connect the 5V USB supply briefly to verify the module powers, on before full testing. To finish, power the transmitter and place your iPhone centered over the coil. You should see the charging icon within seconds. If not, shift the phone slightly to find the sweet spot. Once reliable, enclose the assembly in a non-metallic case with vents to prevent thermal buildup and secure cables. If charging fails, first check continuity and coil inductance with a meter, confirm the module LED behavior, and verify the Schottky orientation. These checks usually reveal solder faults, shorted turns, or incorrect tuning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.